Hi, I'm under the slide out, the main slide out in Daisy May, and I'm gonna lubricate everything. I use silicone spray because it doesn't attract dirt, and I don't want to attract dirt into the mechanisms that make the slide room work. Lubricating this once in a while keeps it running smoothly, and I never want to take the chance that my slide out doesn't work. Now, if I had a Swintech system, and when I did on my Forest River R-Pod 180, I would lubricate the running gear down the side of the slide out. In this case, I have a rack and pinion, and so I have to lubricate the racks, and I lubricate everything that moves here because I don't want my slide out to die. This is the slide out motor in mine, and while I'm here I can check this and make sure it's plugged in tightly. Sometimes things get loose over the miles, so it's good to make sure everything is plugged in. So there's no such thing as a maintenance-free slide-out system. If you have a Swintech system, you'll have gears, two gears on either side of the slide-out that will need to be lubricated, and you'll use silicone. Don't use WD-40, please, or lithium grease. That is just dirt attracting, and you'll be sorry you did that. Underneath a bigger slide is probably going to be a rack and pinion like mine. That's easy to do. Just crawl under there and give it a spray with some silicone lubricant. Again, don't use anything but silicone lubricant because you don't want to be attracting dirt into those mechanisms, or you'll wear them out and have to replace them. And everything has a special RV price, so it'll be very expensive to replace. So keep it up with the maintenance and have a great RVing summer, guys.